Greetings and salutations, Siser friends. I'm Joe with Siser North America. Welcome to another episode of the Decoration Zone. In this episode, I'm going to channel my inner hippie and go far out. All right, imagine if the very first Woodstock happened today. I always wondered how much different would the apparel be? Would everyone look and dress differently than they did 50 plus years ago? I'm not sure, but I do know that the trends are coming back in a big way. The best part is now you can make them even that much more unique with Siser heat transfer vinyls. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use this awesome tie-dye shirt we got from our friends at Sanmar, and I'm gonna decorate it with 15 colors of Siser Stripflock Pro. Just as a side note, for those that are full DIY for a project like this, I just wanna let you know this shirt already came tie-dyed. So if you're looking to do your own tie-dye effect on it, that is totally okay. You can do the tie-dye on your shirt first, wait till it dries, then apply your Siser HTV. Try not to do the other way around. I also have this awesome hemp tote bag, which is very perfect to carry my 6-pack of sparkling water. Did you know that hemp material is one of the strongest and most durable organic fabrics out there? And we're gonna really put it to the test by applying 5 different Siser heat transfer vinyls. We're gonna use Siser Easy Weed Electric, Glitter, Holographic, Stripflock Pro, and Brick 600. Let's try it out. All right, let's start with the t-shirt first. Again, I'm working with 15 colors of Siser Stripflock Pro. All of my transfers are cut and ready to go. The next step I need to do is weed away the excess or the negative space in all of these transfers. So while I do this, it's a perfect time for you to practice your didgeridoo. Let's go. All right, now we're on to the grooviest point, the application step. So here I'm gonna be working on a heat press. I'm gonna be applying all 15 Siser Stripflock Pros onto one shirt. So since I'm only using Stripflock Pro, I'm going to be set to 311 degrees. I wanna make sure my pressure is at a medium setting. So I wanna make sure I set that first. So we're gonna preheat for a couple seconds. Take out the wrinkles and moisture. Now we have a flat area to apply. 15 colors. Let's begin. One thing to remember about Siser Stripflock Pro is it is a suede-like product. So it's got a suede-like feel, it's very soft, and it is layerable. So you can layer directly on Siser Stripflock Pro. The one thing about what we're gonna be doing here versus what you may have seen with our Easy Weed line is we cannot do the 1-second tack. So for 15 colors, I'm gonna apply each color for about 5 seconds. All Siser Stripflock Pro colors except for the fluorescence are a hot peel. So make sure if you're working with fluorescence, which we are here, you wait till they warm or cold peel before you peel that carrier. So here we're gonna cruise along. Again, 3 to 5 seconds for each layer. And you can peel hot. Just remember, if you're working with the fluorescence, wait till it cools off before you peel it. Okay, so that's one. Now let's get into the rest. All right, we're down to our last 5 seconds and the big reveal. You guys ready? Here we go. 15 colors of Siser Stripflock Pro. There you have it. Oh yeah, Sage and Meadow are gonna love this one. Okay, so that was a 15 color Stripflock Pro on a tie-dye t-shirt. Awesome. I know now we're moving on to this great hemp tote bag. Again, I'm using 5 different Siser heat transfer vinyls: Easy Weed Electric, Glitter, Stripflock Pro, Holographic, and Brick 600. So What you want to do when you're working with your heat press is find the average temperature of all of these, what we recommend. So I am set to 312 degrees because that is about the middle of all these different heat transfer vinyls. The next thing I want to do is adjust my pressure because this hemp bag is going to add more pressure to this, and I'm also going to be using a heat press pillow because of the handles and the seams around the bag. So first thing I'm going to do is put the heat press pillow inside this bag and then adjust the pressure. Okay, so that's about a medium pressure. That's where I want to be. So the first one we're working with is the Easy Weed Electric. And what's also great about Easy Weed Electric, 1 second tack and peel hot. Okay, next layer we're gonna do is our glitter. Glitter is a 1 to 2 second tack as well. Peel hot. Now we're gonna lay down our Stripflock Pro. Press that for about 5 to 6 seconds. Now the fluorescent Stripflock Pro is not a hot peel. So we're actually gonna lay this Siser holographic on top directly, and we're gonna press this for about 5 to 6 seconds. Holographic is also not a hot peel, so make sure you wait until you peel that carrier. And last but not least, we have our thickest heat transfer vinyl to add some dimension, and that is our Brick 600. Now, since this is my last layer, I'm going to press my entire design for a full 15 seconds. And that is going to properly bond each one of my heat transfer vinyls. And Brick 600 is not a hot peel, so you want to wait till that cools off before you peel the carrier. And let's make this happen. Oh, and there you have it. Check that out. A far out tote bag that has 5 different Siser heat transfer vinyls. I can carry my flaxseed, my brown rice, my vegetables. So when you're around that campfire, you can roll up a big fat vegetarian burrito. And there you have it. 15 colors of Siser Stripflock Pro on this awesome tie-dye shirt. 5 different heat transfer vinyls by Siser on this hemp tote bag. You saw how fast that application process was. You can do the exact same thing. We'd love to see what you have going for yourself.